Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what many are calling the best bathroom cleaner on the market. Microban Sanitizing Spray, Citrus Scent, 12.5 ounces. This product doesn't just clean, it protects. Marketed under the trusted Microban brand, this spray brings an advanced level of sanitation to your home by doing more than just killing germs on contact. It keeps working long after you put the bottle down. In fact, it provides continuous surface protection against 99.9% of bacteria for up to 24 hours, even after multiple touches. That's not just cleaning, that's creating a barrier. Let's talk about where you can use it. The Microban Sanitizing Spray is safe on hard, non-porous surfaces like sealed granite, sealed marble, glazed ceramic tile, stainless steel, and also on soft surfaces such as upholstery. This makes it incredibly versatile. You can use it on doorknobs, bathroom counters, kitchen sinks, and even soft furnishings. The citrus scent adds a refreshing touch without being overpowering. It leaves behind a clean smell that makes your bathroom feel fresh every time you walk in. Now on to performance. This spray doesn't just kill germs quickly, it does so impressively fast. Within 5 minutes, it effectively eliminates a wide range of harmful organisms including Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA, Salmonella enterica, influenza AH1N1, human coronavirus, norovirus, and even mold and mildew. That's especially critical in humid areas like bathrooms where mold and bacteria thrive. An important feature here is its mold and mildew prevention. It's not just about killing what's already there. Microban actively prevents the growth of mold and mildew for up to 7 days on hard surfaces. That's a big win for long-term hygiene. Now let's take a closer look at the formula. It's bleach-free and phosphate-free, making it a safer choice around kids and pets. The active ingredients include different types of ammonium chlorides, all working in synergy to break down and neutralize bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Despite being powerful, the spray is designed to be gentle on most surfaces. Ease of use is another area where Microban excels. The spray bottle is ergonomic and easy to grip, and the mist disperses evenly. One quick spray covers a wide area, so you're not wasting product. At 12.5 ounces, it's compact enough to store easily but holds enough volume to last through multiple uses. As for storage and shelf life, the product is stable and doesn't require any special handling. The bottle itself is durable and built to resist leaks and cracks, which is great for both home use and when traveling. Let's touch on availability. While this product is highly rated and loved in the US, it's currently not available for shipping to all international destinations including India, so be sure to check your delivery options before placing an order. To sum it all up, Microban Sanitizing Spray and Citrus Scent offers advanced protection with extended antibacterial action, versatility across surfaces, a pleasant fragrance, and a bleach-free formula. If you're looking for a top-tier sanitizing spray that's more than just a cleaner, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into products that make your life cleaner, simpler, and smarter.